What's going on, guys? So I'm here with Mrs. 62JZ, and before we get into this video, got a couple things I want to talk about. She's actually starting her own YouTube channel. By the time you guys see this video, it will already have dropped her first video. Not sure what it's going to be about, but yeah, what are you going to do?
I'm going to troll you. I'm going to drive my Supra.
Oh,
I'm going to do all the fun things.
All the fun things. So basically, steal the Supra, make fun of me, things like that. So check out our first video. Kenneth is just redoing everything that we did. So actually, we got a whole list of things that we're doing. Of course, a lot of it has to all be repainted. I talked about that in the previous video. So first order of business is the tail lights. We're going to move the tail lights from, they were mounted on the body of the car. We're going to move it out to the bar right out here on each side. We redid the headlights again. Boom. And now, for some reason, these guys want to take off the heat shield. And I don't... What are we taking the heat shield off for?
Because race car.
What really is the science behind why we're taking the heat shield off?
Why do you need it?
To prevent the heat.
From where?
The intake. Boom.
Intake is behind.
Your intake is getting all the cold air.
Okay.
It's Florida. We still have 100.
I feel like you guys just want to take shit apart.
Yeah.
Weight reduction? Is that a good excuse?
Yeah. What's going on back here?
You haven't had a car to tinker with?
Did you That's what it is. We haven't had any cars to work on in a long time.
Yeah.
So we just want to do something. Oh, you and Alejandro's project. You guys are going to love this one. See this fuel neck?
Yeah, cut it.
I want to cut it and make it as short as possible. Good luck. No, I'm just kidding. It's not hard. I looked online. This is a hard pipe here. And all you got to do is just reduce this and then just feed the hard pipe down into it and it should reduce the whole thing. This is one of those times where it's so simple. It's just 4 bolts and the heat shield comes off. All right, guys. Hey, Kenneth, could you? Thanks, bro. So they had this mission on this heat shield. I don't know why. So Alejandro did a great job until the last bolt. It's always the last bolt. It's old. It's rusty. What happened to the bolt, bro?
It's now round.
It's now round. Okay, so Zach has an idea. So, what's your plan, bro?
Well,
I want to make a disclaimer. I told Zach, hey Zach, can you come over here, bring a fresh mind.
I love your accent. It sounds like you're saying sack. Like I told sack.
that's how.
Come here, sack.
That's how the Spanish accent is.
I love it.
It's
Sack.
So
Sack.
Got a shifter to order.
Oh yeah, don't let me forget. Tonight we're playing Fortnite, and if you're out there, listen. Check this out. This is Zach. We play Fortnite like every single night, and I get a ton of messages. And the entire time I'm on there, it's just notification after notification. I'm gonna play Fortnite with everybody. I promise. Do not get discouraged.
And when we play, we don't play one game, then you're out.
Oh yeah, no. If you're in our group, ride or die the whole night. We're hitting a dub. You know. Oh, it's usually me, Zach, Moses. Who's the other kid that we play with? Booty Pirate.
Booty Pirate.
Booty Pirate. We don't know him, but he's real cool. He's got an STI. He's Booty Pirate. Oh jeez. Cool. There's nothing in the engine bay I need.
You think I'm kidding, but it's me.
I don't think you're kidding. I can tell that you're not. No, just get the snip. Here. Just get the snips and cut it. Here, hold on.
he wants to show the world.
We get it. You're strong, bro. Zach. We get it, bro. You're strong.
No, I wasn't. It's not a thing about I'm strong. It's about a thing that I almost got it.
One thing I can assure you, Justin, that heat shield is not going to be renewed.
You think? Heat shield's not reasonable. Anyways, I'm not going to show these people 5 minutes of just...
Oh! We got pipes.
Look at those headers. Those are sick. What are you done? You tapping out?
My
Glove drop.
We'll be back. We got to shorten the fuel neck and hopefully we don't blow ourselves up. We'll be back.
All right, so we're over here cutting open the gas tank, right? And 5 feet away, Justin thinks it's a good idea to start lighting the candle.
It's the hot wax is going to come out and I'm trying to keep the bugs away.
And it smells like legit straight gasoline.
It's fine, man.
We're
Do you
going.
want that or do you want to get bit by mosquitoes?
Terrible idea.
You're gonna kill us all.
Oh, I got one.
You guys did kill it.
Ah, shh.
Oh, you didn't kill it.
I asked you
You asked who?
if there was two.
What'd I say?
Just that one.
Well,
What'd I say?
It was just that one, and then
He
the
didn't
other
take
one.
it apart.
I didn't take it apart.
I did.
But I thought it was just one because that's all Zach handed me. So ipso facto, it's Zach's fault. Hey, you guys suck. I had to put the
You know
final
what that happens when too many hands.
final touches. All right, so we got
So now
one thing accomplished. It looks super awesome. Little baby fuel filler neck.
So now you have to back up to the
Nice. I like that. All right, so hour 3, we're still working on the taillights. What's your plan, Kenneth?
Use U bracket,
Uh-huh.
just use a zip tie and wrap it around a certain way. And
Okay, we only have one of those, right?
yeah, we only have one though, that's the problem.
What are you thinking, Zach?
I'm thinking that that's going to be a lot of unnecessary work.
Okay.
You know what? Give me a handful of zip ties.
Boom!
I got this.
Check this out. Right there.
Drawer full.
All the, make sure they're black.
Yep.
All the zip ties. So this is phase 1.
This is attempt 1. Raw footage. Can you not?
I'm just saying, you see what
It's
I'm talking
not
about?
done.
Okay.
27 zip ties later.
That looks really good.
Don't ask me how I did it.
Those look awesome. This is the test. Wow, that is super solid. That
Hey,
not as solid.
I can tighten that.
One thing I
But
have
this
to
one here is, I mean, that's not going
I
anywhere.
have a question.
Done.
Oh, go ahead.
What was the final zip tie count?
Okay, let's all take a guess. Oh, I didn't really look at it too hard.
After we left,
12 zip ties total?
Oh no, there was a lot of trial and error. I had at least. I mean, if you look at the file here, I had
A lot of
probably
R&D.
at least like 20.
a lot of R&D.
That's part of fab though.
No, I know, no, definitely. No, zip tie fab is a thing. No, zip tie fab is a real thing. All right, so we're on like hour 52. What were we going to say?
Hour 52. We're still mounting the battery.
Right, hour 52. We're still mounting the battery. Zach's going to demonstrate how to get in and out. Like, is this NASCAR or what is this like?
This is just over the top, unnecessary.
This is being 100 pounds and 8 foot tall.
150, 6'2".
Exact numbers. See, if you perfected it, you could just like just swoop in, like
No, it's too tight.
swoop in. So
Check it out.
look at this man. Look, he's training for the Olympics.
Ninja Warrior.
Ninja Warrior. Alejandro, can you do that?
Absolutely not. I just look at my shoulder.
Isn't that quick? Absolutely not.
I just look at my shoulder and
Kenneth,
something.
can you do that?
Hell no. First thing.
You don't even gotta ask me. It ain't happening. Okay, I'm lucky I get in and out regular. All right, guys, so we're back, and it's like day 2, day 3. I'm not really sure because I haven't put all these videos together. But where's the baggie at? Oh, here it is. The shifter kit came in, so we're gonna unbox this or unbag it. Unbag it, and get ready to install this thing because we've been missing third a lot.
Alright, now they can make fun of us granny shifting and...
No, we're
any
gonna
of that.
power shift this beast.
It wasn't our fault.
Oh, and if you see what's on the ground right there, it's our automotive indoor-outdoor black carpet.
Okay.
Getting this thing right today. All right, so let's see what we got in there. Okay, let's pull it out and set it on this back here. We can see well. Let's see what we got. So this is from 5X Racing. All right.
Bushing.
Okay, so those are the bushings. I paid $15 more. That in there is the upgraded bushing that goes at the very bottom. I don't think it's made by 5X. I'm not sure. Maybe theirs. I know there's a company that specifically makes that special little bushing. Oh yeah, look at that. A new shifter surround and then a new boot. A new boot. Wow. That's pretty good. I want to say I paid around 80 bucks for this whole kit shipped. So it's got all the bushings. It has the side-to-side bushings, new uppers, lowers, and the big bushing at the bottom. And we're going to jump right into installing this thing. All right, so we got the old shifter removed, and now we're just, what are we doing next? We're putting all the new bushings. You got the anti-roll bushing right here for the side-to-side movement.
Just gonna show the
Yeah.
old anti-roll. This is what it was. That's how it looks now. This would be this.
Okay.
And
So this was our side-to-side bushing right here.
yeah.
So that's probably why it was, felt like neutral in gear. All right, so I think before we install the shifter, you guys saw the carpet. We're going to attempt to recarpet this thing in the front over the trans tunnel and then down in the floorboard area. So do you want to do that before we install the new shifter?
Let's do that. So
Measure out the carpet, remove the e-brake, yeah.
and let's go from there.
All right. All right, guys, I hope you can hear me. It is just dumping rain again, but let me help you out, bro. So here's what we're doing. We decided that we're going to just carpet the interior with just some fresh black indoor-outdoor, good old Home Depot carpet. We just figured out that's going to be the best option rather than trying to respray, because getting in and out, swinging the buckles, things like that, it's going to continue to chip the plasti dip. As you can see down there, it got awful in no time. So we're going to go with the carpet approach. We're going to carpet the whole trans tunnel. We're going to carpet down here on both sides, and then the back wall that holds the ECU behind the seats. We're going to carpet there as well. So, all right, another little update here. So just cutting slowly by slowly, as you can see, it's all lining up perfect. The carpet's getting flat, and it's really coming out awesome. I don't know why we didn't think of this sooner. If you guys are probably thinking, what a bunch of idiots, just pull the seats out. Well, the way this cage is designed, the seats are not coming out of the car. So we have no choice but to try to build upon it. And if you look now, it looks almost completely flat. And then we're just going to cut our holes in the carpet for the shifter surround. And the eye bolts will thread through the carpet, which will keep the carpet really secure. And it's going to be awesome. So I'm super excited. Zach showed up with the white. Do we have a name for this thing yet?
No.
Why not?
Because I suck at making decisions.
Okay. I suck at making decisions, at least you're honest. All right, so the new shift kit is officially in. Why don't you go and demonstrate how tight this is. You guys remember before, like we put it in third and it looked like it was in neutral?
That's third gear.
Nothing. Sick. Hit that power shift.
Wow.
What was that, fourth or fifth?
Fourth to fifth. That's in the half mile.
Looks sick, way better than the, because there'd be no way to physically, mess with the plasti dip all the time. So this carpet looks perfect. Well, Zach's feet's down there, but yeah, as you can see, I mean, it looks perfect. So, mounting the gauges, bar. We just want to have a boost right now, but we don't. So we just feel like if we put a boost gauge in it, it'll make us feel better. And then we also decided that we're going to go ahead and carpet the back wall behind the seats. And it's going to cover up a lot of wiring. And then we took the stock radio out. We're going to try to put a cubby in there just so we can hold, phones, wallet, whatever, while we're driving. So
Zip tie Zach on the job.
zip tie Zach. Your favorite part's that shifter, isn't it? You want to go drive it.
I mean, we need to get that shifter.
All you've been talking about, all Zach's talked about forever. Do you order a shifter? Do you order a shifter? Do you order a
Because
shifter?
you say you're going to order it. I'm going to order it tonight. We go inside, I'm going to order it.
I know. But then I hop on Fortnite, bro, and I forget about everything. All my inhibitions go out the window when I'm on Fortnite. We're back from our trip to Home Depot. We had to get another carpet roll. Zach's new Precision. And what we decided is, boom. Jackson, say hi. Say what's up. Look at the camera. Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, so we possibly may have to work back here with a lot of these wires. We're going to get the Mega Squirt because the ECU's back here. So instead of using the adhesive to hold the carpet down, we're just going to throw three self-tappers. A good old impact. That was very loud.
You got volume control on you.
Volume control. All right, hold the light, Jackson.
Ready? I need my light. Hold the light, okay?
Our boy Kenneth came over, and we thought he was a baller. We asked him to get some Corona, so he shows up with a 24-pack. And I'm like, damn, the boy's a baller. He got a 24-pack of Corona. Little did we know it's Barbie beer. It's the mini bottle. Why, bro?
I didn't realize it.
Oh my God. Yeah.
All
We
right,
appreciate the effort, though. It's the effort that counts.
all right, besides your Barbie beer, we're about to start wrapping this up, right? For some paint.
Yeah.
All right, little update, guys. Kenneth's been working on taping up the Miata. We're going to dive into painting tomorrow morning before the rain.
Dive in.
Dive in. How's it going?
It's going.
It's going.
It's going.
It's very interesting what you're doing there.
What's going on, guys? So we are day 4 or day 5, I'm not really sure. We got Jackson, our super painter helper, and Kenneth, the master painter. So we've been through this once already. Everything's all taped up. We completely sectioned off the interior, so we don't have to worry about that at all. The whole front end's actually perfect, so we're not even going to touch the front. We're going to spray basically from this little line here back, respray all that, respray the whole deck, and then we're good to go. Well, this is it. This is the finished product. It came out freaking awesome. So a couple little things we're probably going to add just as we go along. A nice battery tray, battery box, just different things. But yeah, everything came out perfect. Kenneth did a great job painting. Alejandro came through clutch on that upholstery job for your very first time. Putting the battery back on, and that's it. We're done. And then we're excited to go drive this thing now that we have a shifter that actually goes into gear and has some bushings. All right, guys, so we got a temporary moment of no rain. So the shifter, as you guys know, is installed, and haven't driven it yet, but Zach's gonna do the initial test drive, because you know Zip Tie Zach, he loves to rip it. So that about wraps it up. Took us about 4 days from start to finish to get it repainted, put the carpet in, just get everything back the way it was, mount the taillights, redo the battery. Hopefully the next time you guys see this thing, it's gonna be boosted. Just waiting on the manifold to come in. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.